Morning, this is Andy here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students. Assalamu alaikum, marhaban, sabah al khair, sayyaha, I am Srikal, namaskar. Dear students, today we are going to do verb finitives. Verb finitives play an important role in day-to-day communication. As you know, the verb is an action word and finitive means to limited the action and notion of the verb and to avoid the repetition of the same verb used in the short sentences. Verb infinitive statements play a great role in day-to-day communication as well as in academic studies. Let's start today's lesson with verb infinitives. अज़ीज़ों तुल्बा, आज हम फेल मसदर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। फेल मसदर जो है इसका काम जो प्रिंसिपल वर्क है उसकी सरगर्मी को महफूज करना और उसको दोबारा से दोहराई रेपिटिशन ना होने देना, ये इसका काम है। आइए इन जुमलों का आगाज़ करते हैं और इन जुमलों को सीखने की भरपूर बोलने और सीखने की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। आई होप यू विल have a new experience with verb finitives, short phrases. We are viewing here today. Let's start our lesson. आइए अपने सबक का आगाज़ करते हैं। Yes, my students, verb finitives. These for limited motion and avoid repetition of words. Explanation यहाँ पे दी है हमने। Verb finitives क्या होते हैं? What are verb finitives? ये क्या होते हैं? These for limited notion, notion mean action and avoid repetition of words. ये जो फेल है इसकी सरगर्मी को महदूद करते हैं और इसकी दोबारा दोहराई से गुरेज करते हैं। ये वर्ब फिनिटिव्स का काम है। आइए इनसे छुपे हुए जुमलों को देखते हैं। Let's see the sentences with verb finitives. Here you are, my students. First statement is, you see here example is given. Nadir works regularly. Nadir works regularly. Nadir बाकायदगी से काम करता है. This is the present tense. This is the present indefinite tense. Nadir works regularly. Nadir बाकायदगी से काम करता है. Nadir works regularly. Nadir बाकायदगी से काम करता है. You see, Nadir is the subject and verb is a infinitive verb and regularly is an adverb. And you see next how its work is limited. Here we will explain it. Does Nadir work? You see this is a question. Does Nadir work? क्या Nadir काम करता है? This is also present tense, interrogative tense, and you see answer. Yes, he. Yes, he. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. And you see here the action of verb, the notion of verb is limited here. So, yes, he. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. And in negative sense, no, he can't. No, he can't. In negative, we will say that no, he can't. नहीं वो काम नहीं करता है. No, he can't. So this is the limitation of the notion of the verb infinitive. So we have seen this statement. Nadir works regularly. Nadir बाकायदगी से काम करता है. This is our principal statement of verb infinitive. And question is, does Nadir work? क्या Nadir काम करता है? This is a questionary statement. And you see now its action and its limitation. You see here, yes, he does. Yes, he do. Yes, he does. And in negative, no, he can't. No, he cannot. मिला के बोलते हैं, no, he can't. No, he can't. Negative sense में होगा, no, he can't. और positive में, yes, he does. Yes, he does. So next you see here, next statement. Another example is here. यहाँ पे एक और मिसाल देखिए. Saima speaks English. Saima speaks English. Saima speaks English. Saima अंग्रेजी बोलती है. This is the principal statement of verb infinitives. Saima is a subject, speak is a verb, and English is an object. It's a noun. English is the language, name of a language. So Saima speaks English. Saima English बोलती है. Let's see how verb infinitive is shortened and its notion is limited and repetition is avoided. So does Saima speak English? क्या साइमा अंग्रेजी बोलती है? Does Saima speak English? Does Saima speak English? क्या साइमा अंग्रेजी बोलती है? Interrogative sign वाले निशान है, and now you see its explanation here. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. This is a positive statement. Yes, she does. हाँ वो अंग्रेजी बोलती है. Here see the verb speak is not used here as per the definition, and negative sense no, he does not. No, he does not. No, he does not. So read it again. Does Saima speak English? क्या साइमा अंग्रेजी बोलती है? Interrogative sign and possible answers are yes, she does. Yes, she. Yes, she. You can say yes, she, and you can also say yes, he does. This is a positive answer, and in negation, in negative sense, you will say no, she does not. No, she does not. No, she does not. No, she does not. You see, my students, here you are. Today we have seen the use of verb infinitives, and their verb, and the explanation that these form limited motion. इनकी सरगर्मी जो है महदूद होती है, एंड अवॉइड रेपिटेशन ऑफ वर्ब, और वर्ब की जो दोहराई है वो उससे ब्रेक किया जाता है, वर्ब को दोबारा रिपीट नहीं किया जाता. आई होप दिस इज एन interesting for you, and you will make a good practice with verb infinitives. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye.